What is up, you guys? My name is Andrew and this is Wanna Crypto, your guide in the world of cryptocurrencies. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more difficult cryptocurrency terms made easy. And we have some crypto news today, we have a bunch of topics to cover. Let's jump right in! And the first news we have is from Ethereum developers. The Constantinople update on the Ropsten network is postponed. Note that this is not the first time the launch of Constantinople was delayed. This time the reason for the delay was the lack of time for the operators of the nodes in the Ethereum network. The fact is that in one of the 5 upgrades of Constantinople, a vulnerability was found, and the developers will need additional time to fix it. Also, during this time, developers will be able to prepare for the possible separation of the blockchain as a result of the implementation of Constantinople. For this upgrade to occur, it is necessary to conduct a hard fork and introduce several changes to the system. This includes changes to miner rewards, code execution, data storage, and so on. The upgrade to Constantinople on the Ropsten network is scheduled for October 14th. It's expected that this upgrade will improve the performance of the Ethereum platform, change its monetary policy, and postpone the so-called difficulty bomb. Trade bots form prices in the cryptocurrency market? Sounds weird, but many experts are certain of this. In their opinion, this is due to the lack of market regulations. Many financial regulators say that the cryptocurrency market is too prone to manipulation. By the way, there is an opinion that it is because of financial regulators that the United States Securities and Exchange Commission doesn't give approval to launching Bitcoin ETF. By the way, not so long ago I made a video about Bitcoin ETF, which can be found on my channel. The link is as usual in the description. According to the company Virgil, due to the activities of one bot, the company suffered losses on transactions with Ethereum. The bot placed orders to sell at a lower price, which is why Virgil started the purchase. But before the transaction itself, the bot removed the sell orders. As a result, the program created purchase orders that raised the price on some exchanges. It is also worth noting that trading bots play a key role in pump and dump schemes. Also, just last month, the New York State Attorney General's office stated that Bitcoin exchanges are subject to market manipulation. And again, XRP is 1,000 times stronger than Bitcoin. This was recently stated by Ripple CEO Brett Garlinghouse at the press conference The Swell 2018 in San Francisco. He said that transactions with the XRP token are 1,000 times faster and cheaper than the ones done with Bitcoin. He also added that XRP is one of the most efficient tools in the field of payments. Regarding the price of the token, CEO Ripple is not worried and says that time will tell and put everything in its place. Bitcoin payments in darknet exist for illegal operations. Such an opinion was expressed by representatives of the United States Immigration and Customs Enforcement. According to the agency, most often in the darknet, the cryptocurrency, in particular for Bitcoin and Monero, buy fentanyl and other opioids. Most often, it is possible to catch the lawbreaker when they are cashing their cryptocurrency. Buying Coca-Cola using Bitcoin. Brazilian Bitcoin enthusiast has created a machine that allows you to buy Coke using Lightning Network. How does it work? You need to scan the QR code, which contains the Bitcoin wallet address of the machine. Then he sends the LN payment from the wallet that supports this technology. As soon as funds are received, the device pours a drink into the glass. By the way, what do you think? When will the era of the Lightning Network come? Leave your thoughts in the comments. Several Japanese banks began to use the MoneyTap mobile payment application created by Ripple to conduct internal payments. The application allows making interbank payment in real time using X-current technology. Payment also do not require commissions and can be made in Japanese yen and other currencies. This new product is available on both Android and iOS. Thank you very much for watching. In the meantime, give me a thumbs up and check out my other videos. See you in the next one. Peace!